Good morning. Thank you for joining this webinar. I am Angela Guevara, Senior Application Engineer for the Embedded Core Group from Advantech in Irvine, California. Today, I will talk about Advantech Embedded I/O Modules. Advantech Embedded I/O Modules can be categorized into four major groups. Embedded Touch Module, or ETM, are touchscreen modules using USB or RS-232 interface. Embedded CANbus module, or EMCB, are CANbus modules using the mini PCIe form factor. Embedded I/O modules, or EMIO, are I/O modules using the mini PCIe form factor. Embedded Wi-Fi modules, or EWM, are Wi-Fi modules in either mini PCIe full-size or half-size form factors. Most of our I/O modules are in the mini PCIe form factor because a lot of our boards have mini PCIe expansion slots. Please note that not all of our boards are compatible with every I/O module. When choosing a module, please be sure that the board does provide the necessary signals. Here's an overview of three types of I/O modules that we offer. We provide different kinds of I/O modules for both board and system level. Currently, boards and systems are limited to their default I/O ports due to the limitation of space and specification. However, if an EMIO module such as Touch, CANbus, or Expansion I/O solution is installed, it could meet different customer requirements. For example, if a CANbus module is used in a current motherboard or system, it can now be used in an automation or industrial equipment. Here is the ETMRE S0 Touch touch module. It is a single-point resistive touch module and uses the popular ELO AccuTouch coach controller. There is support for either a USB or RS-232 interface and can be used with a 4-wire or 5-wire resistive touchscreen. One key feature is the extended temperature support of -20 to 85 degrees Celsius during operation and -40 to 85 degrees C in storage. Another key feature is the longevity of this module, which is common with Advantix products. This slide shows two more touch modules, the ETM-RE S04C and the ETM-RE S05C that uses the EETI Mercury controller. These are separate 4-wire or 5-wire touch modules and support both USB and RS-232 interface. These two modules also support a wide operating temperature and after about 5 years of product longevity. They are a low-end solution for price-sensitive customers. This is the EMCB CANbus module. It is available in three different versions. The EMCB-200U-MP01E is the module only. The EMCB-200U-MPC1E is the module with CAN Open support. The EMCB-200U-MPJ1E is the module with J1939 support. This module supports mini PCIe and USB interfaces. If using the mini PCIe interface, please verify that the mini PCIe port on the board or system provides USB signals. The CANbus ports on this module are designed with 4 kilovolt peak isolation for ESD protection. It also supports extended temperature and is phased in for about 5 years. Next we'll introduce the EMIO series of products. For standard boards and systems, there are times when they do not fully meet the customer's needs due to a lack of certain IOs. This is when EMIO modules can be used. The EMIO-100P-MPU01E is a full-size mini PCIe module that adds an LPT or printer port to a board or system that has a mini PCIe interface. For current boards, printer ports are no longer offered as standard I/O. But with this module, it will allow our current products to support legacy devices. The EMIO 100TL-LVD01E is another module that allows a board or system to support legacy devices. This full-size mini PCIe module converts the LVDS signal to TTL signal. No drivers are needed to be installed for this card, as the signal conversion is done through hardware. This module will approximately be available in April and will be phased in for about 4 years. The EMIO-100S-MPU01E is a full-size mini PCIe module that adds one more serial port to a board or system. There are cases where many serial ports are needed, such as in a gas pump, but our standard board or system is one short. This module can add an additional one RS-232 or RS-422 or 485 COM port to the system. The COM port has 4 kilovolt ESD protection, and the module does support extended temperatures. Compared to a traditional add-on PCI or PCIe slot card, this module takes up minimal space. The EMIO-100E-MP01E is a full-size mini PCIe module that adds one more gigabit Ethernet port to a board or system. This module uses the Intel i210 IT LAN controller and supports extended temperatures, and it will be phased in for about 4 years. This module will support the following operating systems: Windows XP, 7, and 8, as well as Linux and DOS. The EMIO-200SA-MP01E is a full-size mini PCIe module that adds an additional 2 SATA 3 ports to a board or system. We will have 2 versions of this SATA module available. The EMIO-200SA-MP01E adds 2 SATA 3 ports. The EMIO-200SA-MPR1E adds 2 SATA 3 ports with support for hardware RAID 0 and 1. This module is expected to be available in July of this year and will be phased in for about 4 years. The module will also support the following operating systems: Windows 2000, XP, 7, and 8. Next, we will talk about Advantix Wireless modules. Advantech has various Wi-Fi modules that can meet the customer's requirements. The Wi-Fi modules can support a wide temperature range and are available in industrial or commercial versions. The latest 802.11 AC standard is supported, as well as ABGN standards. Some modules are available in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth configurations. The modules are available in mini PCI and mini PCIe full or half-size form factors. Advantix GPS modules support the U-Blox positioning engine and are available in industrial or enterprise grade versions that support a wide temperature range. They are available in mini PCIe, full, and half-size configurations. Here's an overview of the different Wi-Fi solutions based on form factors. Mini PCIe modules can only support up to 802.11 A, B, G, and N. Mini PCIe modules can support all wireless technologies and wide temperatures. The Mini PCIe card with USB signals uses the Mini PCIe interface. However, the Mini PCIe slot on the board must provide the USB signals. Before we move on to the next slides, we wanted to provide a quick overview of the wireless technology that some of our Wi-Fi modules offer. Some modules have the feature of 2T, 2R, or 3T, 3R. This means that the module can support MIMO, or multiple in and multiple out streams. Basic modules typically support only one transmit and one receive stream. However, other modules can support 2 to 3 transmit and 2 to 3 receive streams. This typically allows for higher bandwidth and throughput during the wireless transmission. The EWM-W152H01E is a Wi-Fi module that can be used if the application requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It supports the latest 802.11 AC standard, which allows for high throughput for wireless connections on the 5 GHz band. This module also supports Bluetooth 4.0. The EWM-W156F could be used if a wide temp and high throughput module is needed. This module supports 3T, 3R streams for high throughput capabilities and also supports the wide temperature range of -40 to 85 degrees C. This slide has a table of the various Wi-Fi modules we have available. With the array of Wi-Fi modules available, we can guarantee longevity and extended temp solutions. This is not commonly found in commercial products. In addition, when offering a Wi-Fi module, we can also provide the matching cables and antennas. This way, there is no need to worry about peripherals since everything can be purchased as a package. The EWM-G107F01E is one of the GPS modules that we offer. It is a full-size mini PCIe module that uses USB signaling. The chipset is the U-Blox Neo-5Q. This module is designed for wide temperature applications. This slide shows the various GPS modules we have available. We can offer either half-size or full-size GPS modules. All modules support wide temperature and will be phased in for about 5 years. Compatible cables and antennas are also available when purchasing these modules as a package. To summarize, here are 4 key advantages of choosing Advantech for your embedded I/O needs. 1. Space savings. Our modules are space saving and compact compared to traditional add-on cards. Customers select embedded boards because of its compact size and expansion interface. We sell mini PCIe to embedded boards because it's very compact and will not change the overall form factor. Second is longevity. Our modules are available for 3 to 5 years, and typically commercial modules are only available for 6 months. Third point is ESD protection. On our COM port modules, we do have at least 4 kilovolt ESD protection. And the fourth point is extended temperature support. As you saw, most of our modules can support up to -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. And this concludes the presentation of the Advantech Embedded I/O modules. Thank you for your time.